Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rosie. I am a plus size fashion blogger. I predominantly exist on Instagram and I will be linking that down below for you. Also, I'm on TikTok, which is super fun. I don't do fashion content there as much as I do kind of more analyses of fat bodies in film and television. But now I am coming back to the YouTubes. So many things have happened this year. I think I'll probably have to sit down and do an update video for you guys, but the biggest one of all is I got engaged to my fiance, Houston, and we are planning a wedding that will hopefully take place fall of 2021. So you're gonna see some wedding content really soon. Today, I have a Homegoods haul for you. That is a big Homegoods fall haul. I went to Homegoods earlier this week just because I was like, it's the middle of August, I'm over this. And I spent some good money on some fun fall accessories and I just thought we'd have a chill time talking about them. Just in case any of you guys are curious, the social distancing rules at Homegoods were excellent. I felt totally safe there and there were all kinds of signage all throughout the store that made me feel safe and protected while I was having fun looking at all the beautiful seasonal items. Let's do this. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay. I got this autumnal throw blanket. It is orange and fluffy on this side and kind of rusty and velvety on this side. And this is a preview of me for the rest of the year until Christmas. Me. Kardashians. I know, I could do better, but like, this is so pretty and I'm very excited about it. I love stuff that is obviously seasonal right now and I'm just having so much fun with it. I don't know why, but wheat just says fall. ASMR. I got this to put on my TV stand. This also could be a really cute like bookend if you've got a shelf. I hope you have a shelf. I'm allergic to wheat, eating it internally, and I wonder if like handling this is gonna make me itch. This one's really basic. It's just a little stand. I'm sure there's a more specific word for that, but it's just a little stand that looks like a stump. I'm gonna put this on my coffee table and put maybe my remote control and a candle, and it's just a nice little touch. Just a nice little woodsy autumnal touch. The vibe is harvest and I love it. I got these two fake books for Halloween time. Basically, I really like that they're retro looking. So this is a little fake book that says fortune teller. It has a cute little cat wearing a mage's hat if you play Animal Crossing. And the other one is reveal your future. And I think that both of these should function as boxes, yes. I don't know if I'd want to put them facing down or up on a shelf, but I really wanted just more Halloween decor than I already have, just so my whole house is decorated. Normally I only kind of set aside one portion of my home to be kind of a vignette for decor, but this year I'm just like, I'm not gonna be leaving my house, so I better make the whole thing super festive. Oh my god. When I first started watching YouTube, I remember a huge thing on YouTube used to be that influencers, or I guess creators, we would call them. I don't know, I think there's a distinction with YouTube, but they used to do massive candle hauls. I'm talking about Elle and Blair Fowler. I loved those girls. I would watch them like clear out a Bath and Body Works and it was so soothing to me. This one is called Thanksgiving Feast. I think in like 2013. Ooh, it's so crazy that I have this specific memory of this candle. There was a Bath and Body Works candle that was called Thanksgiving and I think it smelled like straight up like mashed potatoes and like cranberry sauce and I don't know what else, but it was amazing. And I would burn it in my kitchen and my roommate, who was like a trainer, he was always like, oh, it smells like you're cooking in here. And he was hungry and there were none food for him. There was also one that was like French, just straight up French bread or like a baguette candle. And they came back out with the baguette candle last year because I got it in the small size, but the Thanksgiving one is gone. So this one from Homegoods is called Thanksgiving Feast. I don't think it has any descriptions, but I have an impeccable sniffer, so I will describe it to you. The strongest scent in here is like a buttered, it smells like buttered bread. I'm not really, it could also be gravy. I have an impeccable sniffer. Maybe like herbs, like sage and stuff like that. So this is my official kitchen candle, and I feel like I'm gonna burn this so fast because it just smells so good. If I can cheat the smell of fresh bread baking in my kitchen, I like this. I will be burning it. Moving on, next candle. Oh, this one is just maple pecan. Yeah, again, it smells like there's a buttery base here and a lot of just sweetness in there, some warm sweetness. It's called Maple Pecan. Easy. Both of these candles are from a brand called DW Home. This one was $6.99 and this one is $9.99. Also, I think these jars are just really pretty. I don't know how these throw. I consider a candle that throws well to be something that could fill like a large living room, or like if you have an open concept home, then a living room and a kitchen. And those ones are your higher tier candles. I'm talking like Voluspa, the volcano candles from Anthropologie. Like those are all really, really good, amazing, far throwing candles. These on the other hand are kind of like bedroom, kitchen, bathroom kind of candles. God, I'm a candle lady. There's a candle store in Dallas that's called Society and it's amazing. There are 2 locations. The one that I go to is in Bishop Arts, if you're familiar with Dallas. And those candles are incredible. These are totally like smaller space candles, I feel like. I might be pleasantly surprised when I burn these. Do you guys remember on Scream Queens when the Chanels were made to let in subpar sorority pledges because Jamie Lee Curtis wanted to enact revenge on them? The one that they hated the most was a plus size candle vlogger, and I'm definitely her. So, hey Chanel.
Chanel has a closet full of diptyque candles that she lights once and then throws away because they're used.
What? Show me.
Okay, the last one is Spiced Apple. Again, the same brand is DW Home. This one was $6.99. I prefer apple scents to pumpkin scents. Pumpkin scents, I mean, obviously are a little too gourdy for my taste. And I really feel an autumnal atmospheric vibe the more I have like a crisp apple scent. Apples and honey, champagne apple, apple cinnamon, iced chai tea latte with apple juice instead of milk from Starbucks. If you've never tried that, please do it. It's amazing. You'll be so happy, especially now that it's still warm and like we're all faking that it's autumn, even though it's not. Let's talk about this candle. Straightforward, just like a spiced apple, just apple cinnamon smell. And I feel like I'm pretty adequate at home decor, except for when it comes to accessorizing. I got these throw pillows for my living room. I thought these would look great in our living room, but there's something about them that's just too stark. These are kind of like minimalistic Scandinavian, I would say. So if I had like an off-white cream couch or like a gray couch or even a black couch, this would look really pretty in. But I have an orange mid-century modern couch and like a lot of kind of like bohemian textures on the walls, and these do not work. I think they're just like a little too intense, but these are really high quality, and in another life I definitely would be able to have them somewhere. I think these would look awesome in a like a wooden rocking chair. Would be really cool way to kind of update that look. And they were really good price. These were $34 a piece for these giant, really high quality throw pillows, and I wish I could show you them like styled in a way that I want, but I just don't like the effect in my living room, so I'm gonna have to go back to the drawing board. Okay, that was it. That is my first video back in action on YouTube. You can follow me on Instagram. I'm roseybeeme there. I'm also roseybeeme on TikTok, Twitter, Facebook. I'm everywhere. Come and find me. Thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate you coming here and hanging out with me. And I definitely am feeling very positive about jumping back into things and being here. So, oh my God, I hope you're still there. I hope you're still watching. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it. If you didn't like it, just move on. Don't say anything back to me. It hurts my heart. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a little comment. Tell me who is like a cozy creator that you really like and what you like about their coziness, because I want to be more cozy this year. Also, if there's anywhere you want me to haul from or any kind of plus size retail you'd like to see, drop a comment. I will absolutely take that advice. I got some fun stuff in the works for you. I've got a unique vintage haul, a Stitch Fix haul, and something bridal. So keep watching. I'll be here, and thank you again. I really appreciate it. Goodbye.